Hello my lovely students, welcome to the class of mathematics, and in the previous videos we have started with the exercise 2.2 and from that we have completed 4 sums. Today we will begin with the question 5 and question 6. So let's try to understand and solve the question. Here the question 5 is, two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. Means here there are two numbers. Now directly they have not given the numbers or comparison of the numbers, but they have given them in the form of ratio. Okay, so you will suppose that one of the number is 5x and another number is 3x, because they are in the ratio of 5:3. So we have taken, suppose one number is 5x and another is 3x. If they differ by 18, means their difference is 18. Hence 5x minus 3x is equals to 18. What are the numbers? So let's try to solve this. This is very easy equation. 5 minus 3, it will be 2x is equals to 18. Now 2 and x are in multiplication, so if you will transpose 2, then it will be in division. So 2 9s are 18, hence x is equals to 9. Again I am specifying this is not your answer, as they have asked you about the numbers and we have supposed that the numbers are 5x and 3x. So first is 5x. Let's put the value of x over here. This 5 and x are in multiplication, so this will be in multiplication, hence one of the number is 45. Then next is 3x. So similarly we will put the value of x and you will get 27. So these are your numbers, and if you want to check your answer, then you can check your answer by subtracting these two numbers. So let's subtract it. 45 minus 27. So 15 minus 7 8 and 3 minus 2 1. See, you got 18 and you should get 18 by solving this. Okay, so this is how you will solve this question. Moving with the next question. Here the next question is 3 consecutive integers. Here you should know the meaning of consecutive. Consecutive integers means the integers which are one after another. Let me write here 1, 2 and 3. So this 1, 2, 3 are called as consecutive integers. Okay, 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. So 1, 2, 3 ऐसे 3 इंटीजर्स है जिनका एडिशन 51 है. You have to find out these integers. So first you need to suppose the integer. So suppose the first integer is x. Have a look of this one. If I want to get 2, then I need to add 1 to get 2. Okay, यानी अगर मुझे 1 के बाद का जो नंबर है वो मुझे चाहिए, देन आई विल ऐड 1 in 1, राइट. सो सिमिलरली अगर मुझे x के बाद जो नंबर है वो चाहिए, देन आई विल ऐड 1 in x. सो आई विल गेट द नेक्स्ट कंसेक्यूटिव इंटीजर दैट इज x plus 1. okay, because here I don't know what the integers are. So I have supposed the first integer. To get the second integer, I will add 1 in the previous. Okay, so x plus 1. Now similarly from 1 only, if I want to get 3, then what I will do, I will add 2 in 1 and I will get 3. मतलब यहाँ मुझे अगर third integer चाहिए, then what will I do, I will add 2 in first integer. So this will be x plus 2. Let's have a recap of this so that you can have idea how will we get this. ओके सी हमें पता है 3 इंटीजर्स का एडिशन जो है वो 51 है, right? Now these are consecutive, one after another. Okay, so here I don't know what the number is, so I will suppose it as x. So if I want to get immediate next number, then I will add 1 in the previous, so I will get next number. अब मुझे इसके बाद का नंबर चाहिए तो मैं यहाँ पर 2 ऐड करूँगी, देन आई विल गेट द नेक्स्ट इमीडिएट नंबर. Okay, so these are the 3 consecutive numbers which are added to 51. So we will get the equation in this way. Now how many x are there? 1, 2 and 3. So 3x and this whole constant numbers 2 and 1, so it will be 3. हम ये 2 और 1 को x के साथ ऐड नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज दिज आर नॉट द लाइक टर्म्स. x के साथ ही ऐड होंगे और कांस्टेंट के साथ. नाउ यू कैन सी दिज आर इन एडिशन. इफ़ यू विल ट्रांसपोज देन इट विल बी इन सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो 3x इज इक्वल्स टू 51 minus 3. Now solve it. 3x is equals to 51 minus 3. Can you tell me the answer? Yes, it is 48. Right? Now this 3 and x are in multiplication. So if you will transpose 3, then it will be in division. And if you will divide, you will get x is equals to 16. You will get x is equals to 16. So again I am informing my dear students, this is not your final answer, as you have to find out the integers. Okay, और integers को आपने क्या सपोज किया है? integers को आपने x plus 1 और x plus 2 सपोज किया है. ओके, सो यू विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. यहाँ रखोगे तो 16, यहाँ रखोगे तो 17 और यहाँ रखोगे तो 18. So you will observe that we are getting the consecutive integers, यानी one after another, 16, 17, 18. Okay, now if you will add them, then you will get 51. So this is how you can verify your answer. Understood, dear students? Again I am recalling about the consecutive integers. Consecutive means one after another. So to get this number, I will add 1 in the 1, and to get 3, I will add 2 in the 1. That's why I have added 1 and 2 in x. यहाँ मुझे पता है कि 1 है, लेकिन यहाँ मुझे पता नहीं है कि वो इंटीजर्स कौन से हैं, इसलिए मैंने फर्स्ट इंटीजर जो है उसे x सपोज किया, तो वहाँ से मुझे उसके नेक्स्ट में जो नंबर आएगा वो मिला x plus 1, और उसके बाद जो आएगा वो x plus 2, और इनका एडिशन है 51. Understood? I hope you all are clear with this 5 and 6. Do practice. Thank you and have a great day.